Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're drawing the amazing Spider-Man. Let's begin with his head. It's not too round, not too square. Kind of like an oval. Just imagine a big egg, but cooler. His super Spidey eyes. They're big and blue and shaped like a teardrop on its side. One on each side, whoosh, so he can spot bad guys from everywhere. Even if they're hiding behind your cereal box. Let's start drawing that web. We go straight line, another line, crisscross, just like a real spider web. And don't forget those little web lines connecting all around, zip zap zoom. It's like the web is ready to shoot out and catch a bad guy who forgot to say please. And there we have it, Spidey fans. The mask of our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. If you drew along, give yourself a superhero high five, K-pow. You just leveled up your art powers. Now tell me, what color is Spider-Man's suit? Red and blue. That's right. And does he swing or hop around? He swings. Now you can color it in red for the mask. Spidey wears a red mask all the time. Not because he's shy, but because he's a superhero. And it has the coolest black web pattern on it. Make him look ready to save the day. Blue for those big hero eyes. Thanks for watching. Bye.